Welcome back to Overheat. Nissan Motorhome for 2026. External design. The appearance of the 2026 Nissan Motorhome is probably going to be sleek and contemporary. Among the potential design components are sharp, smooth body lines, in keeping with Nissan's current design philosophy. This design prioritizes aerodynamic efficiency to lower wind resistance and boost electric range. Or fuel efficiency. Advanced LED lighting, LED technology with a futuristic design and ideal illumination is probably going to be used in headlights and taillights. Updated V-Motion grille. The V-Motion grille design, which is now more integrated with the front fascia, is expected to preserve Nissan's visual identity. Windows and openings with optimal design. Electric sliding doors, to provide a roomy and convenient entrance to the living room. Wheels and rims with a modern design. The dimensions and style of the rims will be tailored to the motorhome's personality and capabilities. Features and interior design. Given a motorhome's constrained size, the interior of the 2026 Nissan Motorhome is probably going to be designed with comfort, functionality, and efficient use of space in mind. Flexible layout, a modular design that enables the space to be rearranged to suit different purposes, such as a dining area, bedroom, or living room. Superior materials, using long-lasting, easily cleaned materials that give off an opulent, cozy vibe. Comfortable beds, a range of bed alternatives will probably be available. Kitchen, a modest yet practical space featuring a sink, storage cupboards, a burner, probably induction, and possibly a microwave or small oven. An adjustable lighting system that may be used to generate various moods within the cabin is LED ambient lighting. Climate control system, effective heating and cooling to maintain a comfortable cabin temperature throughout the year. Engine, if a traditional engine is used, it will probably be a fuel-efficient gasoline or diesel engine with front, rear, or all-wheel drive AWD.